In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with GetResponse in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a complete beginner, creating a landing page is a powerful way to boost engagement and strengthen your online presence. So, let's jump right in. Firstly, open up your web browser and head over to GetResponse's website. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and search for the Tools section. Here, you'll find the option Landing Pages. Go ahead and click that, and then hit Create a Landing Page. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. GetResponse offers a wide range of professionally designed templates to suit different objectives and styles. However, if you're feeling creatively adventurous, you can also choose to start from scratch. When you've made your choice, don't forget to provide a descriptive internal name for your landing page. This will help you easily identify and manage it later on. With your template or blank canvas ready, it's time to unleash your creativity. GetResponse features a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, which makes the design process a breeze. You can add images, text, forms, and various other elements to tailor the page to your needs. Remember, the design should align with both your brand and the goal of your landing page, whether that's collecting email addresses or promoting a special offer. Once your design is to your liking, think about the next steps for visitors who interact with your landing page. You'll need to customize what the page will look like after users successfully submit a form or complete any call to action. This could be a simple thank you message, a link to download a guide, or whatever suits your campaign's needs. In today's mobile-centered world, it's crucial that your landing page looks great on a range of devices. Make sure to check and adjust the mobile view within the editor to ensure a responsive design that maintains its integrity across different screen sizes. Tweaking things to fit smaller screens might seem minor, but it could significantly impact engagement. Moreover, consider the SEO, URL, and subscription settings to enhance discoverability and functionality. Configuring these settings optimally ensures your landing page is set up for maximum performance. Before you go live, use GetResponse's preview function to see exactly how your landing page will appear to visitors. Make sure everything looks just right and functions as intended. It's also a good habit to save your progress regularly, so nothing gets lost if you have to step away for any reason. That's it. You've created a stunning, functional landing page with GetResponse. Remember to keep experimenting and tweaking, and you'll soon master the art of landing pages.